Get a feel for the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 100,000 miles on the odometer. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, backup camera, power liftgate, fog lamps, aluminum wheels. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.